the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Oh yeah. Woo-hee-hee! Misty! Whew.
Help! Help!
What was that noise I hear?
Help!
My goodness!
Hi everybody! Just off to my maths lesson! See you later!
Now in this lesson we do some work on equivalent number sentences. Examples. Complete each of the number sentences. The first one we've got to look at is 14 times 5 equals 7 times something. What we do is look at that 7 and it's sort of matching up with that 14. Okay, can you think of 14 as 7 times something? Well, we can. It's 7 times 2. And then we've got this times 5. So all we've done is just rewritten that. So we've got this 7 times, and we've got 2 times 5. Okay, well 2 times 5 is 10. So really we have 7 times 10. And that's exactly what we'll write. 7 times 10 there. The next one, 18 times 4 equals 6 times something. Well, there's our 6, and in terms of 18, can we write that as 6 times something? Well, we can. We can write it as 6 times 3, so we're rewriting this as 6 times 3, and we've still got a times by 4 there. So we have got this 6, if you like, by itself as a factor, 6 times, and, well, 3 times 4 is 12. So we've really got 6 times 12, and there we have it, 6 times 12. So it's a little bit of problem solving, isn't it, these type of questions. The next one, 35 times 3 equals 5 times something. Again, there's the 5 there. Possibly we could break 35 up as 5 times 7. Yes, 5 times 7. And then we've got times 3. So on this left-hand side, we've got 5 times, and then we've got 7 threes, which are 21. So we've really got 5 times 21. Terrific. This is great fun. Next one, 16 times 3 equals something times 6. Well, that's 6 matching with possibly the 3. Now, to get 6, we're going to have to times 3 by 2. So what we're going to do with that 2 is break 16 up as 8 times 2. So we'll have 8 times 2 there for 16. We've still got a times by 3 there. And then what we've got that 6 that we wanted on that right-hand side. 2 times 3 is 6. So the question really is now on that left, 8 times 6. So that we have it, 8 times 6. Probably a little bit harder than the one before, but let's have a couple more goes. We'll get it. 24 times 4 equals something times 8. So I'm looking at that 8. And I'm thinking with the 4, what do we need to do with 4 to make it 8? We need to times by 2, so I'm thinking 2. We're thinking 2. So 24, how could we write that with a 2 involved? We could write it like 12 times 2. Okay, then we've got times 4 there. So that gives us that 8. Okay, the timesing by 8 at the end there. So really we've got 12 times 8. And that's what we want to write. 12 times 8 there. Okay, that's equivalent number sentence. The final one, 21 times 3. Well, that 9 there sort of matches with that 3, doesn't it? But we'd need to multiply that by 3 to get the 9. So we're thinking 21. How can we rewrite 21? Let's write it as 7 times 3. Okay, that gives us that 3. And then we've got this times 3 on the end. And that gives us that 9 that we were after. So really on the left-hand side, we've got 7 times 9. And that's what we'll write on the right-hand side as well, 7 times 9. Excellent. Well, that concludes the lesson. Good luck with your questions.